In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Sites QR code in just about 5 minutes. With the increasing reliance on digital platforms for sharing and accessing information, having a QR code for your Google site can significantly enhance the ease with which users can find your content. Whether for business, educational, or personal purposes, a QR code is a bridge between the physical and digital world. Let's dive in and make that connection as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Sites. Start by heading over to the Google Sites webpage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so. Click on Sign In, enter your email address, click Next, then type in your password, and finally, click Sign In. This will take you to the main dashboard of Google Sites. Once you're in, navigate to the site you wish to create a QR code for. Finding your site should be straightforward. It'll be listed among any other sites you've created or have permissions to edit. After locating your site, look for the Copy Publish Link button at the top of the page. Clicking this button is your first step towards creating a QR code, as you need the URL of your site to generate one. This link is what people will access when they scan your QR code. Now proceed to click on the Copy Link option. This action copies the URL of your Google site to your clipboard, making it ready to paste in the QR code generator. Next, you'll need to go to a site that generates QR codes. There are numerous free options available online, so feel free to choose one that you feel comfortable with. For the purposes of this tutorial, navigate to a trusted QR code generator website. Upon arriving at your chosen QR code generator site, you should look for a button or link that says something along the lines of Create QR Code. Click on this to start the process. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of content your QR code will link to. Since we're dealing with a website link, select the option for URL or link. This tells the generator that your QR code should redirect to a web page when scanned. The next step is to paste the website link you copied earlier from Google Sites. Find the field designated for the URL and paste it there. Be sure to check the link for accuracy, ensuring it directs to your intended Google site page. With your link pasted, you might notice an option to customize and download QR. This is where you can personalize the appearance of your QR code, should you wish to. Customization can include changing colors, adding a logo, or altering the shape of the code's markers. Feel free to experiment with these options to create a QR code that aligns with your branding or personal preferences. However, remember that too much customization can sometimes affect the code's readability. Finally, having customized your QR code to your liking, it's time to download it. Look for a Download QR Code button or similar option. Clicking this will save the QR code to your device, making it ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to create a QR code for your Google site. You can now print this code or share it digitally, making it easier than ever for your audience to find and access your content with just a scan. Whether you're sharing important information, promoting an event, or just looking to make your digital content more accessible, a QR code is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial and happy creating.